Hello, class 9. Good morning. So, we have done unit 2 of Passing Away of Bapu. Today, we'll continue with unit 3. So, listen to it. Some days after the funeral, a special train took Gandhiji's ashes to Allahabad. The compartment was decked with flowers. So, decked means decorated. Flowers, people on the train sang bhajans. People did not weep anymore, for they could feel Gandhiji's presence amid the flowers and the songs. So why did the people did not weep anymore? Because they could feel Gandhiji's presence amid the flowers and the songs. So they are not missing Gandhi anymore. You can feel his presence. At every station, sorrowful crowds filled the platform. So it is important. Short question can come from here. Amid song and prayer, the train reached Allahabad. The ashes were immersed in the Ganges, where a huge crowd had gathered at the bank. Afterwards, we all went back to Delhi. Back in Delhi, I felt at sea. I had not directly walked with Gandhiji, gone to prison, and at his call or made any sacrifice for my country. My sisters and I and other young people like me had been merely onlookers, but still I fell at sea means lonely. I fell at sea means it was deeply in lonesome depression. I had grown up within a magic circle. With Bapu's passing away, I felt the magic circle had vanished, leaving me unprotected. So, magic circle is what? Magic circle is the imaginary circle which feels protected. Okay, like we have our parents. Our parents are our magic circle. We are protected by our parents. So, in similar way, the leader of the nation has died. So, the people now feels unprotected. With an effort, I roused myself. I asked myself, had Bapu lived and died for nothing? So how could I so easily lose courage when he was no longer there? So now she is gaining self-confidence. She is telling that Bapu has inspired us, Bapu has walked with us, only for this, so that we do not fight, we just stay back in depression when he dies. So no longer like that. My values were not so weak. Millions of people would have been ordinary folk, but for Bapu, he brought them out of indifference and awakened them through one another's suffering. So he was brought into what? He was brought them out of indifference. So those who were weak, they were brought out from their weakness by Gandhiji, and they were inspired. Okay, they were inspired, and they were said to help each other. So what if now Bapu is gone? We were still there. So the narrator is telling, or she is telling that, so what? Bapu has died, so what? We are there to continue his work, young, strong, and proud to bear his banner before us. So Bapu had passed away, but his India would continue to live in his children. So though Bapu had died, but we will still hold the position that Bapu had, and we will also follow the footprints of Gandhiji on our life. Okay. So as you can see, comprehension exercises. 7A will be number 2. Gandhiji's ashes were taken to Allahabad. Mark it in your book. A huge crowd had gathered by Ganges. That will be Ganges. Then number C, Gandhiji awakened people to one another's suffering. That will be number 3. And 8 and 9, I am doing it and I will give you. Okay, you can get it in the PDF. Okay, thank you class. Have fun.